The way most writers arrange headings and subheadings in an outline is what we'll call the general system. With this approach, headings are carefully distributed and worded to make sure the horizontal and vertical relationships between the groupings are clear. Headings divide the outline into logical hierarchies of information, and each successive heading level is logically as well as visually subordinate to those above it in the progression. Headings and subheadings are differentiated from the text by position, font selection, size, weight, and spacing, and in this way, the hierarchy of styles is decided. You can use the standard heading styles or design your own based on brand, the type of document, and of course, your preference. These styles need to show their relative importance in the hierarchy of information. It is acceptable to slightly indent, use italics, or even underline lower order headings, for example, heading 4 and 5, to help set them apart from the higher order 1, 2, and 3 headings. In shorter documents, it's best to begin at heading level 2, avoiding level 1 altogether. And at other times, it could be appropriate to make changes to the format. For example, using all capital letters for heading 2 here doesn't really work. So changing heading 2 to sentence case makes sense. That's much better. It's important to use your judgment as it's not an exact science.